So today we're going to show you how to replace the sponge in your leak valve. It's a special valve that in the case that you have humidity under your counter, under your sink, this little sponge is made out of cotton and it will absorb the water. Once it absorbs the water, the little red area will come up because the cotton is swelling, and it will place inside of this little window. So if you see that this red area is inside this little window, the valve is already closed. And this will let you know that you've got some humidity or some water leak under your sink. Make sure to replace it that you first close your water valve. So this is the water valve, I took it off. And it's important to know that this position is closed. If you've got it like this, in this position, this is open as it flows with the water in the direction of the hose. So make sure you close it first before replacing the sponge. Once you've done that, make sure you release the pressure on top with just opening your gooseneck faucet. Now, we will prove how quickly this little sponge absorbs water and how it will swell till it closes the valve. So now we've got a little bit of water here. And as you can see, immediately it starts swelling and pushes up the red disc till it closes the valve. So if you realize on your Water Perfect that you don't have any water, this is because probably under your sink the cotton has already swollen and your leak valve detector has closed. So now you can see it's inside this little window. So what we have to do is first dry correctly around the area. Make sure you don't have any humidity, as we will be changing that sponge and we don't want it to absorb that water, that residual water. Take a screwdriver and open this little screw. Remember, you did close your water feed. Take off the screw, pull it up, turn it, and it will come out instantly. This little disc will come down again, as you can see. It was pushed up, so the valve is closed here, and it comes down again. Take out, just scratch it, take out the wet sponge. It's the same as those we get when we go for fine dining at a sushi place. It's a little towel made out of cotton. So take it out, replace it with a new one. You were provided with 2 additional cotton sponges. Here's the replacement. Make sure your area is dry correctly. And then just push in the new cotton sponge and make sure it goes all the way to the bottom. Once you've done that, you can put in the white piece again and turn it. Once you've turned it, you're able to put in again the screw. Now it's ready to go. Make sure now you open your valve again. This is obviously on your wall. This is where the cold water will start flowing into the system. Cold water will flow in here, and from here it will flow to your Water Perfect. So I hope this helps. Thank you very much.